Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how we can download Reasons Bank. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the Play Store. After that, search Reasons Bank. Next, you will see Reasons Real Pass app. You have to click on that and click on install. It might take few seconds to minute for an app to download depending on your internet speed. Now your app is downloaded. You can check your home screen to make sure that your app is downloaded. So this is it. This is how you download Reasons Bank app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.